Here's how to check if your PC is secretly mining cryptocurrency in just 1 minute. Open Task Manager and go to the Performance tab. If your CPU or GPU is running at 80 to 100% while idle and you are not running any heavy applications, something is wrong. Switch to the Processes tab and sort by CPU or GPU usage. Look for suspicious process names that mimic legitimate ones, like svhost32.exe instead of the real svchost.exe. Right-click any suspicious process and select Open File Location. If it is sitting in an unusual directory like appdata/roaming, it may well be malware. Search the exact file name online to confirm. If you find something shady, boot into safe mode and scan with Malwarebytes or Windows Defender, or as a last resort, reset your PC entirely and change all your passwords afterward. If Task Manager looks clean, check your browser instead, since some miners run directly inside a tab. Open Chrome or Edge and press Shift-Escape to open the browser's own Task Manager. If a tab you are not even using shows high CPU or GPU usage, it could be running a crypto mining script. Go to your extensions list and remove anything you do not recognize, since some extensions mine crypto silently in the background. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.